All right, so we had ice for the last couple of days, and this hose was frozen. And when I tried to move it with the ice in it, the hose actually broke. So we're going to show you an easy way to fix this so you don't have to replace the entire hose. What we did is we went ahead and we squared these ends up with some pipe cutters. Okay, we went ahead and just cut that so they're nice and square. Before we actually make this little fix here. So we're going to use a piece of CPVC pipe. We're just going to cut it to length. You're going to put it right inside here. Yeah, put this in here like this. Just going to go ahead and cut this right here. Like that. Cinch it down good and tight. And there you go. All right, let's try it on. Let's go try it.